Hello guys and welcome back to Car Obsession. Today you join me in the Isle of Wight with my new Civic Type R. Well, it's not a new Civic Type R, but it's new to me. Because I'm here with the LLF card because they are hosting a drive day. So we've got about 25 cars here. Going to go for a lovely day's driving. The weather looks to be fantastic today, so it should be nice and dry, maybe a little bit cold, but who cares? It will be dry, which is a good thing because you'll like this. So, I've only had the car for about a week, and quite annoyingly, the window regulator in my driver's door has kind of failed. So the driver's window is now permanently open, which is fantastic. It's really good for security. So yeah, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking inside the car for two reasons. A, I want to enjoy the drive, and I'm sure you want to appreciate it as opposed to hearing me waffle on. And secondly, obviously I'm going to be getting a lot of wind noise. I know I've got the wind deflectors, but yes, because I'm going to have the window open all day, there will be a lot of wind making its way into the cabin. So I'm not going to do too much talking inside the car. So yeah, hopefully it should be a good day and there should be plenty of driving. So a quick catch up. We have stopped for lunch. We are in Cowes on the Isle of Wight. We've grabbed a bite to eat. I've just had a lovely sausage wrap. Patsy's in the car. She's in the driver's seat. Yeah, that's.
You like my new whip?
That just sounds really weird coming out of your mouth.
Do you like my new daily driver?
That also sounds weird. Anyway, I'm gonna.
Type R.
You put a really funny face on. What were you doing?
I was trying to dig a bit of stuck bacon out the back of my teeth because I don't want to waste bacon.
Right. Well, I'm glad the wind didn't change. That would have been quite an interesting face to be stuck with for the rest of your life.
Me.
Of course, I'd still love you. So yes, it has been a great day. It's been some fantastic roads, as I'm sure you would have seen on the footage. A little bit of traffic here and there, but that's to be expected. But yeah, you know, I've been to the Isle of Wight a few times, and I must admit, I've never stumbled upon these little gems of roads that we have driven on today. So the LFF team have done really, really well. So yeah, big thumbs up to you, and a massive big thumbs up to the Type R as well, because it has done really, really well. I'll tell you what, the handling, oh, literally, the way I was chucking this thing through the corners, you know, it was absolutely dancing through there. Just really, really capable. And yeah, you know, I've driven the UK Type R before, but the JDM, yeah, oh, on a different level. So I look forward to seeing what the rest of the day brings, but today is going really quickly, so I'm just gonna try and enjoy the moment, because I know it sounds really corny, but yeah, you know, days like this, they are fantastic, and the weather's good, and we are getting into winter, so days like this, there's not going to be many of them left this year. So yeah, onwards. Wow, what a day. It has been an absolute blast. The only downside is that it has gone too quickly. You know what they say, time flies when you're having fun, and I have had a lot of fun today. The Type R has been amazing, simply amazing. And even though this isn't on the most performance orientated tyres, the grip through the corners has been, you know, pretty incredible. So I'd love to see what this car could do on a set of Eagle F1s or a pair of Michelin Pilot Sport 3s or Pilot Sport 4s, because yeah, literally it's just been amazing. The drive day that has been put on by the LFF Card has also been amazing, so a big thank you for them for having me on, because the spaces were limited. It was first come first served, and I was lucky enough to squeeze myself in and get a place. So I look forward to the next one, whether that's going to be in the UK or maybe even in Europe, because they were speaking earlier today about, you know, they want to make this, you know, a bigger thing. They want to make it, you know, an intercontinental kind of thing. So who knows, maybe going to the Nürburgring or that kind of thing. But yeah, so just waiting to go back onto the ferry to go back to Southampton. Then I'm going to make my way home from there. But yeah, it has been an incredible day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I have making this video, I should say. If you have, please make sure to like, subscribe, and to ring my bell so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time, guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession.
Oh.